This is DHT22 sensor. This is Nucleo 144 board. You can see connection. Output pin is connected to PE0, power supply and ground provided. And when I press reset, you can see you have this reading. Basically, it sends the data at the interval of 2 seconds, and this will continue up to 2 minutes. So this is what the DHT22 sensor interface with Nucleo 144 board and send data on UART. I will explain you this in 5 minutes. Now this is CubeIDE. So in CubeIDE, in setup, first of all, I enable this crystal. So you can see it's a crystal ceramic resonator, right? This is what we are doing usually, right? Then we have used this timer. For timer, we have timer, so I used timer 2. Okay, I provided clock source and set basic things because in DHT22 we need accurate delay, so that is why I'm using timer 2. And then we have also used UART 3. You can see this UART 3 for this experiment. We have used this PD8 and PD9 2 pins. So these 2 pins are for the onboard UART. And finally, for DHT22 sensor, we have used PE0 pin. So PE0 pin is configured as a GPIO output, and rest of the code I will put in the description, so you will simply take it from there. So this is the code. So here you can see we have this main function. In main function, we have this message display on UART. So UART, you're already familiar with, okay, how to send message on UART. Then we have separate functions for DHT22. So DHT22 read. So all the logic, how to read this sensor are written over here. Then we have another function DHT22 read byte, and then another function DHT22 start. Okay, set pin input, set pin output. So all the functions related to this DHT I have written over here. I will share this code also. And this is the structure, data structure, where we will going to store temperature, humidity, and the checksum value. So I will not go much in detail in the function explanation, but let us start from the main. So here it display different messages, and then here the logic. So basically this experiment will continue up to 2 minutes. So this is what the difference between start time and current time is, 120,000 millisecond. Or you can say 120 second. It's a 2 minute. So continuously 2 minutes, it will simply read the sensor. It will extract the value. It will send it on UART. And if any error is there, it will simply display this message. And once it complete, so it will display this message that STM test completed. Okay, how many times it sent the reading, it will also display that. And between 2 successive send or UART, 2-second delay is there. So for 2 minutes, and if 2-second delay, so total 60 readings should be there in the output. Okay, so this is what the same code I have uploaded on the board. And here you can see this UART part, which I have already explained you. So let us start once again. And you can see the last message is 60 reading. So let us start this. Let me reset this button. Here you can see the board. And I think this is overlap, but you can see it starts sending different values. Their count is 5, count is 6, 7, 8. So now this is count number 53. You can see temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, humidity is 61.7%. It is changing, but not much. It is changing within the limit. Now 58, 59, and 60. So we ran this experiment for 2 minutes, and you can see the final reading is total successful reading is 60. So basically, it's a simple experiment where we have interfaced DHT22 with this Nucleo 144 board, sends the value, read the data, and send over the UART. This is what for today's video. Thank you for watching this video.